It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
Alright, today we've got these ghost pepper potato chips from Trader Joe's. It says, if spicy flavors bring you joy more than any game or toy, then try these chips with loads of heat and crunch that simply can't be beat. We've used a chili called Ghost, providing heat which we can boast. It's hotter than jalapeno or habanero, and so we issue you a daro to grab a bag and take a bite of chips packed full of ghostly fright. We have a bunch of kids here, so we're going to head outside and let them give it a try. Alright, we've decided we're going to put them in a bowl so the kids don't see what kind they are. We'll bring them out and give them a try.
Oh, hello.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Should I do this now?
Yeah, tell me what you think.
It's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Thumbs up or
Do you like
thumbs down?
thumbs down? Or thumbs up. Do you like jalapeno chips? Look over
Yeah.
there. Who's that?
I guess I don't get it.
Oh, try one. Alright, give one a try. I better try one of those too.
Those are really good.
Really good.
Alright, head outside and I'll bring them out. Come on, head outside. Alright. Who's gonna try some?
Me.
Jalapeno
Jalapeno chips.
He was like,
Those are really good. They have a spicy flavor, yet they're so good.
and he was like,
There's some weird lighting going on here, huh?
Guys, want to try some jalapeno chips?
they're ghost
peppers.
Oh, sorry. It was like,
They're
Give
good.
them a try.
Wait, are they hot? They're kind of spicy.
Try it and see.
I don't think that maybe Tanner might not have some. These are absolutely delicious.
yeah.
You like ghost peppers?
No, not like ghost peppers.
These are ghost peppers.
They're just a little hot.
Go grab the bag and check it out. It's on the counter, Anthony.
What?
You gotta tell us your opinion.
Okay. This is so good. This is amazing. Wow.
Then you must like ghost peppers.
Right, who else wants them? What do you think of them?
They're great.
You're gonna try some?
No way. I can't be
No, they're really good.
Maybe they'll get rid of all your cold and sinus issues. They'll clear you right up.
Maybe.
Emmy, they're not for you, baby. Yours are in the house. These are the spicy ones.
Smoke coming out here.
My dad does too.
I mean, like,
Well, they seem to be a
there's
hit.
actually hot sauces where you have to sign this paper that says you will not sue the
I follow you, and you are a spicy lover, dude. Get these.
If you're a spicy lover, dude.
Get ghost peppers potato chips. They are double thumbs up.
I'd say they're more like,
Yum.
I would say they're a million thumbs up.
Here, hold the bowl.
Good.
Yeah.
A million thumbs up.
Oh, it's really good.
Okay.
7 million hands, Kathy.
No thumbs down, huh?
Watch out, now let's give some more to Kathy.
Okay.
Look at these boys just like hover around the bowl.
They're so good.
Yeah.
If anything, it's not spicy enough.
Okay.
I mean, I like a little bit of spice, but I can't do it. Why?
These aren't that spicy.
Did you jump the fence without even touching it? Like that?
Well, if you're in the dark, this lighting's kind of doing some weird
He
stuff.
does parkour, and he could do a front flip over that without even touching it.
Daddy's Lego.
Oh! I'm swarming Colin! I'm just gonna take a little handful right here.
Ooh, how is it with the... Oh, thank you.
It's not that spicy, actually. You probably shouldn't trust that coming from me, because my taste buds are probably dead.
I was gonna say, whenever my dad says it's not that spicy, I try it and my mouth is on fire for like 30 minutes. Nope, I'm not trusting you.
Actually, those taste really good together.
They're ghost peppers. It looks like ghosts flying through the screen on camera. I think this place is haunted. Or it's the dust.
Just jumping into a pool.
You gonna eat the whole bowl?
The whole bowl is gone.
It's gone.
Well,
There's crumbs.
now we know for sure those are a thumbs up, huh? Because they devoured them.
You're just like, every crumb.
You gonna lick the bowl?
I'll lick the bowl now.
I bet that's gonna be.
Please get these again.
Look at all the.